How to change your About on WhatsApp. Tired of the same old, "Hey there, I'm using WhatsApp"? In this video, I'll show you how to change your WhatsApp About to something fun, creative, or totally you. It's super easy and only takes a few taps. So let's freshen up your profile and make it stand out. First, open your WhatsApp app on your device. Go to Settings at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on your profile to open more options. Scroll down to the About section and tap on it. Tap on your current About to edit it. Type in your new slogan, text, or phrase that matches your vibe. That's it. You've successfully updated your WhatsApp About.